శ్రీ గురుభ్యో నమః. Today is auspicious Hanumat Jayanti, Vaishakha Bahula Dasami, eve of Appara Ekadasi tomorrow. On this occasion, wanted to read out Hanumat Pancharatna Stotram. It's only 5 slokas and gives a wonderful meditative stotra, taking us inside, taking Hanuman Anjaneya as the deity. So it goes like this. The description of Anjaneya starts with వీతాఖిల విషయేచ్ఛం జాతానందాశ్రు పులకమత్యచ్ఛం సీతాపతి దూతాద్యం వాతాత్మజం అద్య భావయే హృద్యం. వీత అఖిల విషయ ఇచ్ఛం. అఖిల విషయేచ్ఛ హ్యావ్ బీన్ రిమూవ్డ్. వీతాఖిల విషయేచ్ఛం జాత ఆనందాశ్రు పులకం అతి అచ్చం, ఎవర్ ప్యూర్, అచ్చం అత్యచ్చం, జాత ఆనందాశ్రు పులకం. బై రామనామ జప ఆనందాశ్రూస్ అండ్ పులకం, harpulations, so engrossed in Ramanama Japa. Sitapati Dhuta Adyam, the first messengers of Sitapati, Lord Rama. So the Sitapati Dhuta Adyam, Vatatmajam, son of wind god, the speech actually, it represents the speech as well. Vatatmajam Adya Bhavaye Hrudyam. So who is very close to our heart? Bhavaye. So I am invoking, I am thinking about that God. So dhyana starts with bhavana. Tarunaruna mukhakamalam karunarasapura puritapangam sanjeevanam ashase manjula mahimana manjana bhagyam. Taruna aruna mukhakamalam, bright red. Aruna mukhakamalam, the lotus of face is bright red like Tarunaruna mukhakamalam. Karuna rasa purita pangam. Karuna rasa of the compassionate, the rasa of compassion, the bhava of compassion is filled in those eyes. Karuna rasa purita pangam sanjeevanam ashase. Sanjeevanam, the life force which exists everywhere, sanjeevanam, or sanjeevani, which gives the life. So Hanuman symbolically brings the sanjeevani medicine when people have fallen in the war. Sanjeevanam ashase, I desire such God. Now the bhavaye, now ashase manjula mahimana manjana bhagyam, of having manjula mahima. Mahima, the greatness, but manjula mahima, the very soft mahima. Manjula mahimanam anjana bhagyam. Syambaravairi saratigaman అంబుజదళ విపుల లోచనోదారం కంబుగళం అనిలదిష్టం బింబజ్వలితోష్టం ఏకం అవలంబే. శంబరవైరి శరాత్. శంబరవైరి is Manmadha. Manmada's Saratiga. Manmada's arrows have been crossed by Hanuman. Hanuman is Guru Swarupa. Sambaravairi Saratiga అంబుజదళ విపుల లోచనోదారం. అంబుజదళ, lotus petal, Vipula of blooming lotus leaf type eyes, Vipula Lochana Udaram. In the glance of the Guru itself, of the Hanuman, Anjaneya, that Udara Lochana Kambugalam, all the speech starts with the Galam, means the throat, Aniladishtam of wind, born of wind god, Bimbajvalitoshtam. So whole of this sound is produced from the neck onwards till the Oshtam. So the whole thing is known as the Anjanaya as well. Bimbajvalitoshtam ekam avalambe. So I hold on to this single thought, ekam avalambe. In the first Pancharatna of the first we said bhavaye, second ashase, third say ekam avalambe. Now in the fourth, the actual greatness of Hanuma, Durikruta Sitartihi. Sita represents the individual jiva. Individual jiva's arti is Durikruta Sitartihi, which has been removed by Guru Swarupa. Prakatikruta Rama Vaibhava Spurtihi. Rama's Vaibhava has been announced. Prakatikruta Rama Vaibhava Spurtihi. Rama is Parabrahma. Rama is Supreme Soul. Supreme Soul's existence itself is doubted by this jiva. Or Rama coming to restore me, recover me, or bring me out of this samsara or not, is a doubt for every jiva. Even though jiva is doing tapas like Sita Devi in the Lanka, somebody has to assure that Rama is coming. That is Guru Swarupa. Turikruta Sita Artihi, Prakatikruta Rama Vaibhava Spurtihi, Darita Dasamukha Kirtihi. Dasamukha is the ego sitting here. Dasamukha says it is all mine, is all I and mine. So the kirti of this Dasamukha is established, Rama is ignored, Jiva is in the trouble. So in this case, Guru Swarupa comes and Durikruta Sitartihi, Prakatikruta Rama Vaibhava Spurtihi, Darita Dasamukha Kirtihi, Purato Mama Bhatu Hanumato Murtihi. Come in front of me, be visible, purataha, in front of me, mama bhatu, be visible, be lightning blaze of that Swarupa may appear in front of me. So this is the fourth stage of Pancharatna. So basically we are able to see internally the Anjaneya Hanuman. So the fifth and the last one declares that I have seen it. I have seen that God. Vanaranikarathaksham Danavakula Kumuda Ravikara Sadrusam Dina Janavana Diksham Pavana Tapaha Paka Punja Madraksham. I have now seen, I have now experienced Vanaranikarathaksham, the head of the Vanaras, Naras and Vanaras. Vanaras, life forces, there are multiple symbolizations are there. Vanara Nikarathaksham, Danavakula, of the ignorance. Ignorance also is having several manifestations of it. Danavakula Kumuda. So Danava Kumula is taken as a evening night lily. For that night lily, it's like a bright sun. So when bright sun comes, these night lilies are automatically, they fall. So Danava Kula Kumuda Ravikara Sadrusam Dina Janavana Diksham. He has taken a vow, Diksha, of Dina Jana Avana. So like Dina Janas, like us, like me, have been lifted up by that Guru Swarupa, Hanuma. Dina Janavana Diksham Pavana Tapaha Paka Punja Madraksham. So Pavana Sutta, Pavana has done tapas. That has been culminated into this Adraksham. So that tapas, culmination of that fruit of that tapas, I have seen, I have experienced. That's what is declared in this Pancharatna Stotram. Etat Pancharat Etat Pavanasutasya Stotram. This son of wind god's Stotram, which is known as Pancharatnakhyam. Yah Pathati Pancharatnakhyam Chiramiha Vipulan Bhogan Bhungshva. For a long time, Chiram Iha here, Vipulan Bhogan Bhungshva. Great bhogas, enjoyments, having enjoyed the enjoyments here on this earth, Sri Rama Bhakti Bhag Bhavati. It's a real living examples are here. Great sage, my Guru, or everybody's Guru, the Guru Tattva is Hanumat Swarupa. Appearance day of such a Guru Swarupa in the form of Hanuma as a Vanara happens to be this day. There are several versions of Hanumat Jayanti as such. So all are correct. So each of the sadhaka, each of the upasaka have seen Hanuma on that day probably. So what people say is Chaitra Shukla Paurnami, at the full moon of Chaitra, Hanuman actually was born to Anjana. Then after a few days he thought sun is a apple and he jumped to catch the sun, and being hit by Indra's Vajra he fell on the earth. And on this day he has been again revived by Brahma, giving several boons. So it becomes also Hanumat Jayanti. So it is a second life, or the life of Hanumat Jayanti. It is a 40-day vrata from that Paurnima. Again in the Margasirsha Masa, in the Paurnima also people say Hanumat Jayanti. On that day, Hanuma has actually found Sita, or Sita has found Hanuma, or a Jiva has found the Guru. So that is also Hanumat Jayanti for a Jiva. So there are multiple Hanumat Jayantis which are in the tradition, and all are equally Hanumat Jayantis. They all eulogize the Guru Tattva. Today being the very auspicious day, and tomorrow is Apara Ekadasi, which again bestows all the benefits of Apara in this world, the Ekadasi. So it has been a long time I have not come for this kind of a live chat. Swasti.